Hello, and thank you for visiting our website. We are happy that you have found a house to call your home. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of applying for that home online. If you have additional questions after this video, be sure to visit our website where you will find more information on how to partner with us as a renter or a landlord. We are going to start on the home page of our website, which can be found at homeforrent.com. That's the numeral 4. And you will see homes for lease in Kansas and homes for lease in Missouri. The home I'm interested in applying for today is in Kansas, so I'm going to click in Kansas, which then pulls up a new screen. Now, if I remember the address of the rental home I'm interested in applying for, I can click right here at the top of the screen where it says click here to apply online. If I don't remember the address, I can simply scroll through the listings found below, and this is the home I'm interested in applying for. So I'm going to click on the picture, which pulls up a detailed description of the home along with photos and details below. Again, please note the rental address that you're interested in applying for. You're simply going to click here to apply online, which will open up a new tab where we start entering in the credit information. We recommend using Internet Explorer or Firefox. This online application currently does not work on Macs. Any field that is in red is a required field, and we're going to start where it wants the information about the rental unit, which is the address. The next field is the leasing agent that you have been working with, and the anticipated move-in date. How did you hear about us? Internet, sign, phone book, or referral? If you were referred, please enter their name here so that we may thank them for sending you our way. Now we get to enter in some basic information: last name, first name, your email address twice, and the best phone number to reach you. We will be communicating with you via email and phone, so please be sure these are accurate. And in the phone, you will want to include area code as well as dashes. We need your Social Security number, which is required to run the credit report, as well as your date of birth. You will also need a photo ID handy, and when you click this drop-down field, it shows you what your options are for a photo ID. So click which option you would like to use and complete the information. ID number, the date the ID expires, the state it was issued, the full name on the card, the street address, and the city and state reflected. Once the page is complete, just click Next Step, and it takes you to the next screen. This is where we get some rental history information from you. Please enter in your current address and whether you own, rent it, or live with relatives, your current monthly rental or mortgage payment, and how long you've lived at the residence. Please fill in your landlord or mortgage holder's name and their contact information. Again, don't forget area code and dashes. Please fill in your reason for moving, and then you're going to click on Next Step. Here we need to gather some employment information. Please type in your current or most recent employer, their address, and phone number. We will require 2 most recent paycheck stubs from each applicant. To expedite this process, you may go ahead and fax or email these paycheck stubs at any time. You can email them to your leasing agent directly or to info@homeforrent.com. As you can see, we have filled in the position, supervisor's name, our monthly salary, how long we've been there, and whether or not we work full-time or part-time. We're going to click Next Step, and that is what an error message looks like. If you are missing a required field, it will tell you what you are missing and ask you to go back and complete it. Here we forgot the drop-down of employment status, so we corrected that, and we're going to click on Next Step. We're almost done. Here it wants to know all of the occupants that will be residing in the home. Please include spouses, children, and/or roommates. Again, spouses, children, and or roommates. We need the name of your nearest relative, their relationship to you, and their contact information. Your emergency contact may be the same person or someone different. The blue fields you may complete if you have the information available to you, but it is not required. So we are going to scroll down, and we are going to answer these questions. Will you have any pets living in the house? If the answer is yes, please include number, breed, and size of the pets. If you smoke, if you have a waterbed, if you have ever been evicted or owe a landlord money, if you ever been convicted of a criminal offense. If the answer is yes, please type in the type of offense in the county and state, and if you are a registered sex offender. Click Next Step. You are almost done. On this last page, you will simply enter in the payment information for the credit application fee of $45. You'll enter in your credit card information, click this box, type in your full name, your social security number one more time. You will review these terms and conditions and then click this big red button that says you agree and want to submit your rental application. Your rental application has now been completed and we are notified immediately and the process begins. You can expect to hear from us within 1 to 2 business days with application results. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.